Good morning students, welcome to SST class. We are now in Geography chapter 2, which is Globe Latitudes and Longitudes. In our previous video, we have discussed about heat zones of the earth. On the basis of heat receipts, we can divide our earth into 3 zones, and they are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Now in today's video we will discuss about these zones. So start with torrid zone. Torrid means hot. This region lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn and receives maximum amount of heat. Look at here. This is torrid zone. This orange colored zone is torrid zone. This zone lies between Tropic of Cancer, this is Tropic of Cancer and this is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Between these lines, this zone, torrid zone lies between these two lines. And this zone receives maximum amount of heat throughout the year because the rays of sun fall directly in this zone. Directly means in 90-degree angles or in vertically on this zone. That's why this zone receives the maximum amount of heat from the sun. And these zones are hot throughout the year. So this is called torrid zone. Next is temperate zone. Temperate means moderate. That is neither very hot or nor very cold. This region, look at the picture here. This is temperate zone. These both zones are called temperate zone. This region between Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. Go to northern hemisphere. This region lies between Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle. Sorry students. This temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. Now move to the southern hemisphere. Here temperate zone lies between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic region, Antarctic Circle. So temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Okay. In this zone, the midday sun never shines over it on any latitude. That means the sun rays are little bit slanting in this region than the torrid zone. This means in both the region, sun rays are little bit slanting from torrid zone. The angles of the sun rays goes on decreasing towards the pole. Towards the pole, the angles of sun rays decreasing. As we go to the north pole or towards the south pole, sun rays become more decreasing towards the pole. That's why these zones have moderate temperature and these zones are called temperate zone. Okay. Next, frigid zone. Frigid means very cold. Look at here. Areas lying between Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere and areas lying between Antarctic Circle and South Pole in the southern hemisphere are under frigid zone. These zones are very cold because here sun rays are always slanting and provide very less heat. So these zones are called frigid zone. The angle of sun rays are very low here and sun rays also fall in slanting way. That's why these zones receives very less amount of heat and that's why they are called frigid zone. Now move to our next topic, that is what are longitudes. Now students, listen very carefully. After latitudes, why do you need longitudes? If we want to fix the position of any place, That means if we want to know about the exact position of any place on the earth, then only knowledge of latitude is not enough. It is necessary to know something more than the latitude of that place. For example, take two places. One is Tonga Island and the second one is Mauritius Island. This is Tonga Island and this is Mauritius Island. They both are situated in 20 degrees south latitude. They both are located in 20 degrees south latitude. But Mauritius is located in Indian Ocean and Tonga Island is located in Pacific Ocean. They both are in 20 degrees south latitude, but they are in different places. One is in Indian Ocean and another one is in Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now, in order to locate them precisely, we have to find out how far east or how far west these places are. So, we have to think about separate lines which are not latitudes, which are running from North Pole to South Pole. Okay, these lines are called meridians of longitudes or lines of longitudes. Okay, now listen once again. This is a little bit tough point. Listen once again. These two islands, Tonga Island and Mauritius, they both are situated in same latitude, that is 20 degrees south, but they are not in same place. It is in Indian Ocean. Sorry, it is in Pacific Ocean and it is in Indian Ocean. Okay, they are located in different places. So we have to precisely, if we want to locate them precisely, we have to find out how far east or how far west these places are. That's why we have to think of separate lines that are not latitudes. They are longitudes, or they are called lines of longitude. Now look at the picture again. Now look at here. These lines are the lines of longitude. They run from the North Pole to South Pole. These lines are lines of longitude. So students, that's all for today. We will continue with this point, lines of longitude, in our next video. Thank you.